Hey guys, we got this Amazon Basics store. It's Amazon Basics premium colored pencils with a soft coat, 24 count, and it's a multicolor. So, your first impression comes in a really nice metal box. As you can see it here in the protective box. So, it's a premium packing, and this little box having all these colored pencils. So, they are all different colors as shown on the top. So, So it's a very nice steel box that I really feel like a premium case for this pencils and also so let me just remove this protective stuff and open it up. So they are the soft core colored pencils and can be used for drawing, sketching, or any other purposes that you want to use. So you can see Amazon Basics logo is on the top of each pencil and it's a soft core with a colored stuff. Let me just test and try one or two. So yeah, so writing is pretty good, control is good, and then color you can see like it's very clear, and also the other stuff. So you can sharpen these with a sharpener, and then you can use. So it's a very nice set for the colored pencils, and have fun with the drawing and sketching.